material to material mode slot like this. Later in the channel mapping drop down inside of mask, we'll select alpha. Next we will turn the brush hardness to 1. Now if we start painting, we can see the slotted head which is set by default. Inside of slotted drop down we have this scale parameter. We can turn on the scale up or down. Next we'll work with Phillips head type. We can see the real-time height preview inside of this material. Inside Phillips drop down we have Phillips size X and Phillips size Y. So we can change this to get another look on this Phillips screw. Next we have multi. This group count inside of multi drop down. So we can change the count of the group. We can change the group size. We have 5-sided grip screw. We can get a slotted look in this multi-head screw. Next we have this bolt head type. Next we have this Rivet head type. Inside Rivet drop down we have the scale slider. We can invert the disc to get another look.